Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore custom shape chat message tag. Create a new document in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool. Choose a chat or message bubble shape. Now draw the first bubble on the canvas. Change its fill color to light gray. Duplicate the bubble using Ctrl plus J. Move the duplicate slightly downward. Change its color to a slightly darker shade. Repeat duplication once more. Arrange bubbles in vertical stack. Select all bubbles layer, around them to left. Add short text line inside each bubble. Adjust padding using Ctrl plus J. Zoom out and check spacing. Your project is ready in Photoshop.